Hello and welcome back to the Tasha Channel. If you are returning, thank you, and if you are new here, welcome. On this channel we typically talk about thrifting, secondhand luxuries, unboxings, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you like any one of those three things, please stick around and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss the beats. And can we get into this little tie thing I did around my neck? I'll pop up a complete look of what I got on, like right here, because yeah, I thought I was cute today. I just added this on because the dress had orange in it and I never like wear this little Fendi little twilly thing. So I was like, let me add it to something. And behold, I had this dress. I'll pop a link up to the dress video when I thrifted this. But that's not what you came here for. You came here for this unboxing. So you know what it is, my favorite luxury good. Let's grab it. And it is, let's get a thumbnail, Gucci. I love Gucci. So this is like my first birthday gift to myself. So yeah, I want to unbox it with you. So let's take it out of the bag. What's in here? It's a little, the receipt is in there. Came in a little card. Well, a card, you know, the receipt. Y'all know what that looked like. So we can put that back in there. This is the little box. We might get another thumbnail right there. But this is the box. I don't have a green box yet. So like all of my Gucci boxes are white because I haven't bought anything. They haven't given me a green box, but I bought items and they gave me a green bag. So yeah, maybe they didn't have no green boxes. Anywho, I'm gonna take this, let's slide this top off. There we go. The top is off. This is the inside of the box. Little tissue paper there. And we're gonna grab the baby out of the box. You can see that it's not that big. So this is the dust bag. Ooh, when I hit that, it was like little particles that flew off of there. Yeah, so let's unwrap it. Oh my God, I don't wanna open it, but I gotta open it because it's for my birthday and it's for my vacation, my trip that I'm going on. I know y'all tired of me talking about this trip, but it's not to the end of the month and I keep making videos, so I'm gonna probably keep talking about it. So the bag smell good too. There we have it. We got this right here. It's all taped up like the lady. I got it out of the Saks Gucci store because the Gucci store inside of the mall always has a long line. So I was like, to avoid that, I can just go inside of Saks and go to their Gucci little department. So now we gotta like untape all of this. Or we could just slide it out of there, couldn't we? So let's untape that. Oh, pop it. We ain't popping tags, we popping tape. Oh, that just came right off. Now, here we are. I didn't even get to do a great unboxing. Like, that was so trash. But I'm not gonna record this video over because it's already out of the paper and it'll be fake. This is it. I'm gonna pull the styrofoam off. Let's just rip it. Rip it, like Medea say. And voila. Now we got this little bag right here with the chain. Open it up. Still got paper on the chain. This baby was really packed tight in there. I mean, she did pull it out of a box and just like wrap it up. So I'm assuming that's why it's like this. Got all of this paper in there, tissue paper, Gucci tags and stuff. But this is the inside of it. So it's like I would say like a chain on a wallet, but it's not because the chain on the wallet is a little bit bigger. This I am going to use as a pouch. I can use it as a crossbody, but I'm probably going to use it more so as a pouch because of me going to Vegas and I'm going to be doing a lot of walking. So I need something that is very functional, like a crossbody. And this style can kind of go with everything. I think I'm going to get the bigger one too because I love this print. I love the Gucci Dionysus. I think I said that right. But if not, you know what it is. But I really like this. At first I didn't want to get it because I thought this was like a snake, but it's not. You can see it's like tiger heads. But this is so cute. So one thing I was worried about is if my phone can fit in there. And guess what? It fit right inside of there. Boom. There we go. And I can pop my wallet in there. I think it's in here. Yes, my Gucci wallet, I'm sure, can fit inside of there too, along with my phone. That wasn't cute. The wallet will go right in there, and boom, we got us a purse, a crossbody. So let's see, there we go right there, little crossbody action. I have to like pop up, I have to stand up and show you the actual like purse hanging on me crossbody wise, but as you can see, the things that I need to fit in there will fit in there, which is my wallet and my phone. But most of the time while I'm in Vegas, I'm probably gonna be recording stuff, so you know, let me know if you want me to hit some thrift stores while I'm in Vegas, because your girl really will hit a thrift store. I really do want to hit a thrift store, even though I'm on vacation, but I really do want to go there and find a thrift store. Anywho, I'm super excited about this little bag. I wasn't gonna buy it brand new, but in the resale market, it was only $60 cheaper than what it costs brand new. So I'm like, why not just get it brand new? Because it don't make sense. I'm saving $60. Yeah, I can go in the Gucci store and get what, a box and a bag, a dust bag, because nobody was selling it with the dust bag. I went on Fashion File. The Real is way overpriced, and Poshmark, I just didn't believe none of those bags was real. So I just was like, you know what, let me treat myself. It's my birthday coming up, my birthday month. So I got this and I'm excited. I can hang something right here. Oh, so how you gonna, I know I just switched up just real quick, but the way you do it as a crossbody, you take the strap and you kind of like put it around here and you wrap it around. Well, you take it this way, wrap it around your waist and hook it in here. Once I can get it in there, and it'll be like a short strap that's gonna be around your waist and hanging. I can show you a video. I gotta just stand up and do it, but I'm sitting down, so I'll pop up a little video right here of the actual bag around my waist. So yes, this is it. This is my little mini Gucci pouch slash crossbody that I'm so in love with. My first little birthday gift to myself, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did. If you didn't, please still give it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in my next video. So bye bye.